Get ready to hit the open road in style and comfort, because today, we're unveiling the ultimate guide to the best motorcycle accessories for long rides, 2023 edition. Whether you're a seasoned rider or planning your first epic journey, we've scoured the market to bring you the latest and greatest gear that will take your riding experience to a whole new level. So let's get started. Comfort accessories. These accessories can make your motorcycle rides more enjoyable and comfortable, enhancing your overall riding experience. Seat cushions are essential motorcycle accessories that enhance comfort during long rides. They come in various options like gel pads, air cushions, and memory foam, each offering unique benefits. Gel pads distribute weight evenly, air cushions provide adjustable firmness, and memory foam molds to your body for personalized support. When selecting a seat cushion, consider your needs and the size of your motorcycle seat. Handlebar risers can significantly improve your riding experience by elevating the handlebars. This adjustment reduces strain on your back and shoulders, offering better control and stability. Some handlebar risers come with adjustable height and angle features for a customized fit. Windshields are crucial for protecting riders from wind, rain, and debris. Taller windshields provide more coverage, while shorter ones offer better visibility and less wind resistance. Look for windshields with adjustable features to tailor the protection to your preferences. Foot pegs serve as a comfortable resting place for your feet, reducing fatigue during long journeys. Adjustable foot pegs allow you to customize their position to match your riding style. Consider the durability and compatibility of foot pegs with your specific motorcycle model when making your selection. Navigation accessories. Several accessories are crucial to ensure navigation, convenience, and safety. A GPS unit tops the list, offering clear directions and real-time traffic updates via smartphone connectivity. Its large screen and additional features like weather updates and ride statistics enhance the overall riding experience, making it a valuable investment. Phone mounts are equally important, allowing riders to access their phones for navigation and communication without stopping. These mounts come in various types, such as handlebar, tank, and stem mounts. Choosing a secure and sturdy mount is essential, and some models offer extra features like waterproofing and wireless charging. Despite the convenience of GPS, maps and atlases remain essential backup tools, especially in areas with poor reception or battery life. Physical maps provide reliable guidance, reveal scenic routes, and offer insight into points of interest and local history. Compasses are indispensable for navigating unfamiliar terrain during long-distance rides. They should be accurate, easy to read, and durable. Handlebar-mounted or wrist-worn compasses are popular choices, offering quick access to directional information and resilience to harsh weather conditions. Protection accessories. These essential accessories contribute to safety. A helmet tops the list, serving as a critical safeguard for your head in case of accidents, while also reducing wind noise and fatigue. Opt for a well-fitting helmet with good ventilation to ensure comfort and coolness during hot weather. Some helmets even feature communication systems for rider connectivity and entertainment on the road. Gloves are indispensable, protecting your hands from the elements and enhancing grip and control. Choose gloves that suit the weather conditions, with insulation for cold temperatures and breathability for warmer days. A proper fit and finger movement are crucial. Jackets provide protection against the elements and an extra layer of safety. Lightweight, breathable jackets are ideal for hot weather, while insulated options suit colder climates. Look for ventilation, waterproofing, and reflective features for enhanced safety, and prioritize comfort and fit for extended rides. Boots complete the ensemble, shielding your feet from the elements and offering support and grip. Sturdy soles, ankle support, and weather-appropriate materials are essential considerations. Some riders prefer steel-toed boots for added protection, while others prioritize comfort and flexibility. Let's take a pause and ponder this. Have you ever had a long ride where a specific accessory made all the difference in your comfort and enjoyment? Share your stories and recommendations in the comments below. Storage accessories. Saddlebags are a crucial motorcycle accessory, offering a range of storage options to riders. They come in different sizes and styles, with hard-shell cases providing superior protection for your belongings, while soft leather bags offer more flexibility. Some saddlebags even come equipped with locks, rain covers, and reflective strips to enhance safety, making them suitable for various riding conditions. Selecting the right saddlebags largely depends on your motorcycle's size and your specific storage needs. Larger bikes can accommodate bigger saddlebags, while smaller ones may require more compact options. The type of items you intend to carry plays a significant role in your choice. Tank bags, designed to securely fit on the motorcycle's tank, offer a convenient solution for storing items like maps, snacks, and water bottles within easy reach. They come in various shapes and sizes, some even featuring clear pockets for smartphones or GPS devices. Many tank bags are equipped with straps or magnets for quick attachment and removal, enhancing convenience while on the road. Tail bags provide extra storage space, and there are waterproof variants available for rainy conditions. They are easy to install and remove, ensuring you have enough storage for your essentials during long rides. Backpacks serve as an essential accessory, offering a convenient way to carry necessary items like water, snacks, maps, and clothing. When choosing a backpack, consider factors such as size, weight capacity, strap comfort, and back panel design. Multiple compartments and hydration systems can further enhance your convenience and comfort during rides. Ultimately, the choice of motorcycle luggage accessories depends on your personal preferences and the type of riding experiences you seek. Communication accessories. Selecting the right accessory depends on your specific needs and preferences, enhancing safety and convenience during long motorcycle journeys. Bluetooth headsets are indispensable for long motorcycle rides, offering connectivity without removing helmets. They have noise cancellation and GPS features for clear communication and navigation. Intercom systems suitable for group travel allow communication without hands leaving the handlebars, and some feature Bluetooth connectivity. When choosing an intercom, evaluate range, battery life, and ease of use. CB radios are excellent for group rides, aiding in communication, staying together, and seeking help in emergencies. Features to look for include long-range reception and user-friendly controls. Satellite phones are crucial for remote rides lacking cell coverage. They connect through satellites, ensuring contact with loved ones or emergency services in case of accidents. While more expensive, their reliability in remote areas is invaluable. Durable, waterproof models with long battery life are ideal. Thanks for joining us in this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.